So the purpose of this video is to demonstrate how you use the PC version of Axonic to do a conductor diameter measurement. So if we go to this conductor diameter measurement button here, and it's going to show you the available conductor diameter measurements that we've got across our organization. Now this is filtered by the map, so we can zoom out. Well, it's going to automatically go and look at all the different measurements, but we can narrow it down by zooming in a particular area. But if we look here, we can see these are the ones that we've got. I guess the other thing to point out is that you can look for all the observers or narrow it down to just yourself, and you can filter for date ranges and so forth. Now, the one I'm going to look at here, if I click on this one, is one that I collected today out in the field. And what I did is I really just collected the data. I didn't attempt to really process it at all. All I did is I took an Axonic conductor diameter measurement record for these conductors. I measured the distance, but I didn't try and get it exactly right, because this is something I can leave to do in the field. So the exercise here is to actually refine it and get this record right. So we've clicked on it. We can see that we're currently on looking at this conductor because it's got the number and it's red, and we can zoom in just scrolling in with our mouse. And what we'll see is that the focus here isn't terribly good, so we may not get a great sort of resolution or a really accurate record here, but we'll give it a crack. So we click on this button here, and it's really just the same as for the mobile app. You've got this control here, and you can pull that side in, and we can pull this side out, and it's giving us, we can adjust it using these outer rings. And we can always zoom in more to try and get a little bit more accuracy. So we've gone and got that one there, and now what we can do is we can look at the other one. So we just use the switch button, and it takes us to the other one. Now this is a better image than the previous one, and what that's telling us is the camera was actually focused on the top conductor in this case. And you can see here, previously the other one, the conductor range was put in at 4 point something meters, whereas in this case here this is the higher conductor. I guess I didn't bother to fill out the ID numbers here, but that could have been in there in the conductor position. So let's measure this conductor. So we just pull this one down, and this one out, and we'll just get in a bit closer to get those nice and accurate. And yeah, that's about it. So we've gone and done our 2 conductor diameter measurements. So it really is as easy, if not easier, to process these records in the office. All you need to do in the field is really just roughly identify which conductors you've measured the distance to, and then the rest can be done in the office.